राहुल गांधी, सोरोस और ग्लोबल नॉलेज इनिशिएटिव का संबंध क्या है? तीसरा सर, 2004 में सोरोस यहां आया, 2009 में सोरोस यहां आया, उसने बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में 5% स्टेक लिया। 2010 से लेके 2014 तक पूरा शेयर मार्केट से सोरोस पैसा लेता रहा। वो गांधी फैमिली से मिला। सोरोस और गांधी फैमिली का संबंध क्या है? मेरा चौथा सवाल सर, राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन को सबसे ज्यादा पैसा सोरोस ने दिया। सोरोस जो है मनोज भार्गव, हंस फाउंडेशन और रॉकफेलर फाउंडेशन और किंगन टच के साथ ब्लैक मनी को व्हाइट मनी कर रहा है। राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन के साथ सोरोस का रिश्ता क्या है? मनोज भार्गव के साथ राहुल गांधी फाउंडेशन का रिश्ता क्या है? हंस फाउंडेशन के साथ राहुल गांधी का रिश्ता क्या है? सोनिया गांधी का रिश्ता क्या है? पांचवा सर, मेरा पांचवा सवाल सर, कि सोरोस ने फॉरेन वर्क्स, फेस वर्क, सॉग फंड, एस्पेडा फंड, इस तरह के फंड बनाए। वो सारे कांग्रेस के 300 लोगों को, कांग्रेस पार्टी के 300 लोगों को उसने जो है स्टार्टअप के नाम पर पैसा दिया है। ये 300 लोग कौन है और गांधी परिवार के साथ उनका क्या संबंध है? मेरा चौथा पांचवा प्रश्न है सर, कि भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में सलील शेट्टी गया था। भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में कांग्रेस ने कितना पैसा खर्चा किया और सोरोस फाउंडेशन ने
बैच को दर्शाने वाला विवरण अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
धन्यवाद। शून्यकाल। सुश्री ज्योति मणि जी।
Sir, mic.
Mic will be automatically on when you will start speaking.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Our farmers who are the spine of the nation are protesting at Shambu and Kaneri with a vow to fulfill their demands. This is not just a struggle of farmers, it's a struggle for India's soul. Their demands are simple: a legal guarantee for a minimum support price, loan waiver, pension for farmers, and justice for victims of the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. All these were already promised by the union government but yet to be fulfilled and totally forgotten. Dallewalji is fasting unto death to thirst more on this. His health is seriously deteriorating and farmers are facing brutality and oppression while they exercise their fundamental right to protest, since the government has turned a blind eye to their demands for years now. Report shows that several farmers are injured as a result of police brutality, tear gas shells and water cannons. This is what our farmers are being treated with. I call upon the union government to immediately halt the brutality, listen to the farmers' demands and ensure that justice is delivered and to save the precious life of Dallewalji. In order to cover this very serious farmer protest, the BJP government raking up the false issue of charge jurors, which we are not afraid of. It's very sad that Adani is protected by this government but farmers are not. Thank you.
You can't mention the name. I think so it will be deleted. Siri Richard ji.
Sir, why will we delete all the time?
A person who is not present in the house,
Sir, why?
he
How
has
come
no
he?
opportunity. No. He is giving. No. I think so. Now you have Siri Richard ji.
Thank you, sir.
Siri Richard.
Respected sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Kindly take seat. Gaurav ji,
We all know-
you are a deputy leader.
Hello.
You are a deputy leader. Kindly take seat.
Yes, we all know about the communal violence in Manipur,
I have
which have
given-
been
no,
for the
please.
last one and a
Just say so.
half years.
Now deputy leader, either you should stand, either
More
KC
than
Venugopal ji.
more than 200 people
So,
have
KC
lost their
Venugopal ji,
life. More than
kindly you just request
50,000
to your members,
people
they must
whose houses are
must
being
take seat,
destroyed,
right?
and even more than 300
Why everybody is standing? If you have
more
if you
than
want to say
300
something, please.
churches are being spoiled.
If you want to say
Even if the
something,
central government
think about it.
deployed
After-
more than 1 lakh
after him.
paramilitary
After him.
force,
Okay,
this
thank
will
you.
not be a
After him.
correct
I
solution.
will give it. I will, after him.
My state being the neighboring
After
state
him.
of Manipur, we
Just
have
give it.
numbers of internally displaced internationally
he's
from
already expressing
Bangladesh
his
and Myanmar,
I will allow
and
you.
domestically from
I will allow
Manipur.
you.
They are all our brothers and sisters. Population of Mizoram, as you know, is only 12 lakhs. Budget and resources are very limited. Knowing that the central government has given us a huge amount of fund to rehabilitate my sisters and brothers from Manipur, I would like to thank the central government wholeheartedly for the kindness of the displaced people. My request, suggestion to the central government is to act as a facilitator upon the two community leaders under the chairmanship of the central government. Let them sit in one table, discuss, negotiate many things they can talk about. PR, change of leadership, separate administration, ceasefire, compensation to the families whose loved ones are dead, compensation to the wounded persons, and many, many more other things. It is not if we do not stop this, we don't know how many more lives will be lost. God made life so precious. Why unnecessarily just taking the lives of others? We should find a measure to stop all this. Thank you.
Srimati Krishna Devi. Acha, kisi just wait. So just sit. All of you, I think so.
Sir,
sit now.
Sir, Honorable Member Jyotimani raised an issue. During that issue, she mentioned about a name. Then you told that should be not in the records. Sir, yesterday what happened, sir? Yesterday in the 0 hour, when the 0 hour is happening, Honorable Union Minister Piyush Goyal, during the 0 hour, intervened and told all the same things about what they are telling for the last 2-3 days. Allegations, complete allegation against Congress party and the leaders of the Congress party. That way, minister during the 0 hour. 0 hour is the members' prerogative.
I got it.
You know that 0 hour is the members' prerogative.
Now
What is that is not in the record. My only one question, sir. You done it. You already deleted what Jyotimani told. Is it applicable only for opposition, sir? Is it not applicable for them, sir?
I got it.
Sir,
I got
whenever
it.
Union Minister during the 0 hour intervening, you are
No.
not deleting, sir. Or the chair is not deleting.
I got
Sir,
it.
This double standard is not so please not good.
Thank you. KC Venugopal ji has raised some issue regarding your own member. I think so. You are a senior most also, and this is the traditions also and rulings by speaker also. And if we'll go through the rules and regulations, so I think so. A member who is not present in this house, just if I'm giving you, मैं आपको नहीं आप सुनिए ये केसी वेणुगोपाल जी ये आपको मैंने अवसर दिया मैं रूलिंग दे रहा हूं तो उसको सुन लीजिए आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी तो काइंडली यू लिसन मी नहीं काइंडली यू लिसन मी नहीं अगर मिस्टर निशिकांत जी ही हैज रेज सम एलिगेशंस अगेंस्ट योर पार्टी या एनी मेंबर तो दैट मेंबर हैज जस्ट सी नहीं you have raised, I am only mentioning whatever you have expressed your feeling. I am only raising the same thing. Agar if he had mentioned the name of your party leader or member of parliament, so all member of parliament has complete right to explain his capacity. He can, but I think a member who is not the house. हो गया श्रीमती कृष्णा देवी जी
मैं आपका ध्यान उत्तर प्रदेश के आकर्षित करना चाहती हूँ कि ये चिकित्सा सुविधाएं नामांकित हैं जिस मेडिकल कॉलेज में मूलभूत आवश्यकताएं जैसे पीने का पानी सफाई आदि की स्थिति बहुत ही दयनीय है यहाँ काफ़ी समय से संचालित नहीं है
This is not fair. No, this is not fair. Kindly conclude, Krishna Devi ji.
कॉलेज में डॉक्टरों द्वारा मरीजों को बाहर से दवा लाने
श्री निशिकांत दुबे जी
धन्यवाद चेयर